How to fix Instagram try again later on profile edits. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Instagram try again later on profile edits. Now, if you're not able to edit your profile, the first thing you want to do is wait for some time, wait for around 1 to 2 hours and try again. If you are still not able to edit your profile, then you want to log out. For that, head over to your profile, then tap on the three lines. Now scroll down and tap on the logout option. Here, tap on logout. Once you have been logged out, you want to enter your credentials again and log into your account. Now, if that doesn't work, you want to open up any web browser, type instagram.com, log into your account, then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on edit profile. Now go ahead and edit your profile from here. Once that is done, tap on the submit option. And as you can see in the web browser, there is no issue while editing your profile. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.